Hi everyone, this is Miss J reporting, and today on our edition of Extreme Weather, we are going to be talking about blizzards and hailstorms. We're going to be discussing the causes and effects of both of these, and also talk about some ways that they are the same and some ways that they are very different. So let's start with blizzards. So what are some of the causes of blizzards? Well, blizzards are caused when masses of warm air collide with the cold air. And as the cold air goes under the warm air and it forms snow, and then you combine that with high wind speeds, it creates a blizzard. Now let's talk about the causes of hailstorms. Hailstorms are caused when rain droplets that are falling are carried upward by thunderstorms. And when those rain droplets are carried upwards and they kind of hit colder atmospheric temperatures, it causes them to freeze. And when those droplets of rain freeze, they create ice. And when they can no longer, when the weight of the ice gets too great, or that thundercloud can no longer hold those frozen rain droplets upward in the sky, they fall to the ground as hail. So some of the causes that we just talked about of both blizzards and hailstorms, they have some similarities. So some things that are the same about them is both hailstorms and blizzards usually occur with really high winds. They're both storms. So a blizzard occurs during a snowstorm. However, something that's different is that a hailstorm usually occurs during a thunderstorm. Something else that's also different is a lot of times blizzards occur in the cold months during the winter, but hailstorms often will occur when the temperatures are starting to change. So typically hail might be seen in the springtime, could also occur in the fall time. Now let's talk about the effects of each of these. So some of the effects of blizzards. So blizzards can cause car accidents with the amount of snow that falls, and people cannot drive in the snow. It can also cause a lot of property damage. So the weight of the snow falling at a very fast rate can be very, very heavy. So it can actually cause buildings and roofs to collapse. And it can also collapse trees and make trees fall over because the trees can't handle the weight of the snow. Now let's talk about some of the effects of hailstorms. Some of the effects of hailstorms is that they can damage crops as well as they can damage property. So if the hail is a larger size, it can leave dents in any kind of metal. So your car roof, your car, roofs on houses, and large hail can actually injure people as well as animals if they collide and hit any part of your head. So today on our edition of Extreme Weather, we touch base on the causes and effects of both hailstorms and blizzards, and we talked about some ways that they are same and some ways that they are different. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time on another edition of Extreme Weather.